Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use the copy paste filter on TikTok and how you can get this effect. So I'm talking about this effect. Remember this image, this is the effect. Select this effect and it will show you your rear camera. Okay, focus it on something. Okay, it's not so clear, so let me start it again. Yep. Okay, you can see this copy icon, just long press on it. Okay, let's leave it. Now to paste, just tap on the paste icon. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, so that's it guys, this is the filter. Okay, and if you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover, and here in discover you can search for copy and paste. Search. No, we wanted to search copy and paste. Okay, and on the first row you will see this effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there to use the filter. Okay, likewise. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this copy paste filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.